Alright guys, that's one of the customers leaving now. I think she had a minivan with some ticking issues. Hey, he got the engine in the... Is this it? What's the old one? Is this a North Star? I don't know guys. It's a V8. I can see 4 holes on each side. Look at that jump box. We can Mako just take their name and put it on somebody else's jump box and just says there. Let's go take a look at this caddy guys. Was this a pain to do? We had to drop it out the bottom, so yeah, a couple of free more hookups and it'd be up and ready. Like somebody made in the comments, said in the comments, they must really love this car because this has to be an expensive job. Which one? Push it out the way? Let's do it. We need pushing this out? When it rains, it pours. The van? How they get in it? I mean, is that a ProMaster? Yes, it's ProMaster. Go figure. What is wrong with the ProMaster? Hey, I see a Jeep. I see some stuff out here I'm familiar with, guys. Dodge Charger. That's a Nissan van. A lot of good stuff over here. We can get back up and running. Except for that ProMaster. Some of those have a 3.6 in it. I don't know what they has in. Get this Toyota RAV4 pushed out the way. I don't know where you're trying to go with it, but hey, Chrysler 200. What's wrong with this? I'll take it off their hands. Tell you guys, I can figure out what's wrong with any kind of Chrysler Dodge product. That's only because I can get into the system. Something like this. I mean, I'm sure it's the same. Whoa, that one's likely damaged. Oh, okay. Yeah, that might be, can't be a body shop. Well, it could be a body shop, but it got other problems. It might run, just have other problems. If I can get into the system and understand the way it's, it operates, yeah, I can fix any car. It's just I have no way to get into it. Nah, I ain't talking about just a scan to read codes and all that. Tim at Astro Auto Repair, he good with that stuff because he got the tools and equipment to get into it. What we doing? Where we going with it? Alright, you ready? Okay, God, I gotta utilize my muscles. We're pushing this in order to get a car out. Oh, we pulled it off. Either that, I'm just a strong dude. Oh, you did that? Wonder what you getting out. Hey, whole style minivan. What in the world? They just gonna let it rot away? I don't know, man. This gotta be pushed in? Damn, they got you blocked in like that? Oh, the Honda. The Buick. So you gotta get 3 out the way? You gotta get 3 out the way? Oh, this one run. Dude, we going up a hill. Huh? You ready? Alright, guys. Oh, all of that to get one car out. I don't know what. You got enough room to squeeze through here, I guess. Good thing those other ones dry. What we got going on over here? A couple of engines on the engine stand. That ain't gonna never get built. You ever set an engine on the engine stand that you have no earthly idea or no earthly plans to do anything with? See, I need to bring my scrap truck over here and grab all this stuff. Ooh, that Honda got some damage. I wonder what's wrong with this Chrysler 200. Yeah, you do, man. Oh, you rubbing on there? Man, that looks like that axle been bent. Oh yeah, this got some damage. You gotta be careful with this. Ooh, everything's looked like it's been shifted. Uh-oh. You ain't gonna hit that damn thing, is it? You only got a little bit. Yeah, you gotta come up some. I don't know, y'all. I think this axle's something wrong with the. Oh, something wrong with the. Oh. Oh, that looks like it's gonna pop apart any minute. Yeah, you don't want to dry that one too. Oh, that's not good. So that's enough room to get the one car. That was smart. That was smart. The way you did it, I mean, depending on what you're trying to get out. This gray one? Oh yeah, you good. Just have to go all the way around. Ram Pro Master. What is wrong with the Ram? I bet it got a gazillion miles on it and it was never maintained. I don't know what's with these Pro Master owners. Typically, if you have one of these, it's for work related anyway, so a lot of driving, a lot of hauling, things like that. But you still have to maintain it, guys. So no matter what you're using it for, there's a certain level of maintenance that needs to be done. Guys, I'm just vlogging, so I hope y'all ain't watching this video trying to learn something. Let me put that disclaimer out there. Sometimes you gotta do that. You know, guys will be like, oh man, you ain't talking about nothing. I didn't learn nothing. Oh, this ain't that type of videos. Hey, look at this Chevrolet Sonic. What we got on the same level as this? Oh, we don't have no four-door sedans. So maybe this is the Jeep Cherokee. Because it's tall, it can be. What's the plan? Huh? You can? It runs? Then move it. Get this shit out the way. And talk about it, be about it. Nope. So, is this a Chrysler product? What's this over here, guys? I don't know how I can spot these Chrysler Dodges out. Yeah, that's a Dodge. Avenger. Some of these had the little 4-cylinder World engine in it. It's something about that World engine, man. I don't think I ever been inside of one of those. Okay, now why didn't it stay into production? Okay, you know they went from that engine to the 2.4 multi-air engine, 4-cylinder wise. We're talking about 4-cylinder, and now we're having oil consumption issues like that. But the World engine, I'm not sure why. I took a course on that class years ago. I don't think I ever had a chance to go into one. I not even pulled a head on one or nothing. It's that engine just stood up, just stood the test of time, and then bye be gone. I don't know if it was emission things. You know what keeps a engine and a car into production, for that matter, is it's sales. The sale of a particular car would keep it in production. The minute sales drop, it's time to come up with another idea. Goodbye car. Same may go for engines. Well, you can't really sell. You need the car for the production of the engine to stay intact. So I guess once the car lost its luster, that meant goodbye to the engine. But you could have stuck that engine in other things, so I don't get it. I don't know. Is that a Ford? Guys, I'm just walking around being nosy. Glad there ain't no plates on these guys' cars. I don't want to be giving anybody business away. Hey, look at that BMW. I got a guy on YouTube, BMW Tech, BMW mechanic. He's a Camaro. He's one of those. He's a cool dude. I can't think of his official name, but he's one of them YouTube workaholics. Boy, I tried to get him on a live stream one time. He said he's not really fond of unexpected questions. Okay, you know when you live stream, you live, so there's no room for error. So you really, it's live. Whatever comes out, comes out. I mean, I've grown accustomed to look. If I say something wrong, I just said it wrong. It's out there. No time to practice. So if somebody asks you something, pretty much on live stream, people throw questions out at you, and you can look a certain particular way if you don't know the answer for it. That happens all the time. When that happens, you just regurgitate either to another topic or give it your best shot. It's nothing to be scared of and nothing to fear. You know, nobody knows everything, and just a question just out of nowhere about something you haven't worked on or seen in a while, it's really no big deal. Just be honest. Look, man, I haven't worked on one of those in years. I can't remember. Well, I don't know. I haven't ever touched one. Somebody asked me something about a Buick one time. I was like, my friend, I've never seen one. I ain't gonna even lie to you. So, like I say, you can be a general line mechanic, but that doesn't mean you have witnessed or experienced everything. You know what I'm saying? You're only gonna know what you've been exposed to, okay? Or you're only gonna be able to speak on what you've been exposed to. And even for the guy that's answering the question, I wouldn't even want to answer from somebody that hasn't been exposed to it, okay? Because you're gonna get a flawed answer. So you should take his honesty, you know, with good intent. Okay, man, that's cool. You know, you never worked on one, that's fine. Not dog him out because he never worked on it. He never been exposed to it. I don't even want to answer from a guy that hasn't been exposed to something I'm asking about. And just make common sense. All right, guys, I'm talking too much. Let me see what he up to. We trying to get this, I guess, that gray one there. I know some of you guys can look at the grill and tell what kind of car it is. I'm just not that good. Trying to get that silver car out. Who can tell by the grill what kind of car it is? I have no clue. But he's trying to make some room to clear a straight shot through here. All right, guys. That's it. Let me go see what he got going, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.